Hello and welcome. Here we will learn how to draw a horse. So drawing a horse is easy. The horses have one amazing fact that they sleeps while standing. Isn't it weird? Yes, they sleeps always while standing. They never sits. So here I am coloring my horse with brown color. Now we will learn a rabbit with a carrot. So here the rabbit is holding a carrot and its jaw is very easy to draw. You can draw in your drawing copy like this. Here we will learn how to draw a butterfly with this, a black pen, and you need to draw and design the wings like this. You can follow this design or create any other design which you like. This is the final look of our butterfly. Here we will learn how to draw a teddy bear with the number 8. Yes, it is very easy to draw a teddy bear. So get ready with your pen or pencil in your drawing book and we are drawing this. Thank you for watching our video.